Hey, this is my Project 2 Regrade video. I am currently at a research symposium in Napa with my lab, the BWRC, so this video was kind of crappy. It's worse than it otherwise would have been. Okay, so let's run the included local tests on that are in the editor tester folder. So let's figure out what those are first. Okay, let's run these guys. I probably should have made this in this IntelliJ guy, but you live and you learn, right? Also, there's no autocomplete for these guys, so this kind of sucks. And I fully expect to fail most of these tests. Like I didn't implement the cursor printing position feature, so that's kind of crappy. Okay, so failed the first test. Let's see. Oh god, what am I doing with my life? Okay, cool. Okay. Let's see. Initial cursor. Okay, capitalize, Chris. Not cursory, cursor. Okay. Woo, failure. Yay. Okay, I probably should have implemented that cursor printing thing. Okay. That's 4 tests failed so far. So I guess I only have one more. Yay. This guy is simple text test. I am 5 for 5, and I think it's all stems from the absence of this one feature, which kind of sucks, but whatever. Okay, so let's clear this out, and then I will run my actual editor so we can talk about the features that I actually did implement. So let's do that. Oh, because Jave is not a language, it's Java. Maybe Javier, the language. Okay, so character insertion and deletion obviously works. Let's do a little of that. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, that works. The cursor does display. It doesn't print its position though, so I will give myself half credit for that. The cursor does move with arrows, so let's type a little bit more out. Bam, bam, bam. Okay, you can see where the cursor is. Type a little bit in the middle here. Okay, right. Move it back to the end here. Type some more. Let's see. There is cursor movement with clicking. So do this. All right, I clicked over here. There we go. Yeah. So that works. Word wrap works. I'll type a little bit more. Bam, it wrapped around. I think it may be a bit buggy though. Actually, you know what? Like this, there was no space here, so yeah, that thing rolled over. I think it should have moved to the new line with word wrap, so I will probably give myself partial credit for that. And let's see, window resizing. I don't even know what I wanted. Obviously, it doesn't work. Font changes. This kind of works. Yeah, that's some good font changing. I'm not sure if that's how that's supposed to work, but I deserve at least partial credit for that. I'll read up on the rubric a little bit more in a bit. Let's see. What about word resizing? Window resizing does work. Font change. It works. The rest of the stuff I do not do. Runtime and efficiency. I'm gonna go ahead and say that I should get either full or partial credit for that. Like I used some linked list structure for each line, which in turn was nested within a larger linked list structure, and that is in the code. At least that's from what I remember. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give myself lots and lots of credit for runtime and efficiency. But yeah, so if we add these up, let's. I am very lazy here, so let's add these up. So let's see, 6, 2. Sorry, 1, because I didn't print. Let's see, plus 5.5 plus 0.5 plus 8 plus, let's see, what else do we get here? Let's say 11, okay? That's 35 points. And obviously there's a point deduction because I submitted late. But that's 35 points at the max. Okay, obviously I don't deserve, and that's including like the partial credit that I got from cursor and display printing, but I do deserve points deducted, I think, for word wrap, maybe a few points deducted for that because I did not jump to the new line. What else is there? Font change should be good. I think it was kind of buggy. There were some edge cases. Let me launch this one more time. Oh, no parentheses. Okay. Yes, where's where you are? And, let's see. So I increase the font. Oh, you see the cursor like stay in the same place. So yeah, I don't know, whatever. I just lump that in with a 1 point deduction for the cursor thing. Okay, so yeah, so that works. That's all good. Increasing the kind of buggy. That's kind of buggy. I think. Okay, you kind of exist outside a little bit over here. So yeah, word wrap is a little bit buggy. Yeah, so that deserves a little bit of a point deduction. But I mean, in reality, I got like 21. Okay, I'm gonna close this out and let me just look this up real quick. Okay, yay! Look, the class is over, and now our grades are in this database. Okay, let's see. Now let's print that out. Okay, so in reality, I got 21.45, and that's with a deduction. So okay, 22.4 over here is my actual figure that I got before the deduction. And I was looking at, like if I do a few deductions, I don't know how much to take away from my score and like the 35 points that I could have gotten in the max. Let's say I got like 30 points. That would have been. I don't feel like doing the calculations right now for the late deduction, but like the 5 or 6 points that I need to move to the next bucket. I think I did sufficient work to get there. So, yeah, I'm going to post this video to YouTube and I will fill out the form. Thank you, Professor Hook, for a great semester, and I will hopefully see you later.